It's kind of a one for every budget type deal, all right? All right, so we are still at RV1, Blue Compass in a month, okay, of North Atlanta. And we've done 3 different sizes of coaches, and now we're going to do 3 different sizes of towables. Kind of a one for every budget type deal, all right? So this is the Aurora 16 BHX by Forest River. So let's check out this little thing. And little thing it is, but check this out. It's actually like a bunkhouse. I guess that's what the BH was, okay? So you got your master bed up front. You got your couch. Let's see what this got. A little armrest with cup holders. That's pretty cool. Yep, little jackknife couch with some storage underneath. So this pretty much every surface in this thing is for sleeping. That's awesome. And you've got bunks. I mean, this truly is, it's everything you need, you know? A little refrigerator, 2-burner stove, a little sink. Let's check this out in here. All right. Now, I'm actually kind of surprised this shower is bigger. So, now, when I said bigger, I was looking at the floor pan of the shower, okay? But there's no skylight for me to put my head in, okay? That would have been one change I would definitely make to this unit. But look at this. Shoulder to shoulder, side to side, or that's front to back. I'm good there. Side to side here. I'm not touching, but when I'm washing, I would bump the curtain some, but that's okay. I mean, the width of the shower, the floor pan area of the shower is great. Just wish it was a little taller, or they'd put a skylight. The throne. Not bad. I've got space to the door, so when it's closed, no big deal. I'm still comfortable. I've got a little more space on this wall than I did on some other units, the little Class A. Not bad. I can hang out in this thing. But this is everything you need, guys. I mean, really cute. I'm not going to climb up to this. It doesn't have a lot of storage space, but it's all, what is your budget? What is your size? What is your purpose? What type of RV adventures are you going to have? All right. Now, push come to shove, I could sleep in here if I had to. I'm not claustrophobic a bit, but physically I do fit. So that would be good. If you're claustrophobic, might not be a good idea. And I know where my dog would be. At least one of them, she would be all the way up under here. That's a big cubby hole down there. Get you some totes and whatnot under there for all your storage stuff. So let's work our way up and go to our next size. But this, pretty cool little setup. It is everything you need. So what do you need on your RV adventures? All right, so Alliance Valor Series is our toy haulers. This is a bumper tow toy hauler. It is the 21 T15. I have not seen one of their bumper tow toy haulers, so I'm curious to see what all this has. I can tell right away that it does have a generator. Most toy haulers do. So there's your generator exhaust. Smells like new RV. All right, so you've got your drop-down bed from the top, okay? So this comes down, and you can choose where it stops, and you can set its preset stops by making an adjustment with them. These fold out to make a bed also, so you can sleep 2, 3, 4 easily, 5, 6 in the master. So with this being a small toy hauler, okay, they've got tie downs all the way up to the bedroom, okay? So this is designed to fold these bench seats up and bring your toys in. They've got these little recliner chairs that are strapped so you can move them to put them as far out of the way as you need to, anchor them back down, and bring your toys all the way up. Pretty cool setup. And if you look at this, we can't get the ramp door down just because where it's parked, and we didn't ask permission, so we're not going to. But this is your railings for your patio, because that's what's super cool about toy haulers. Other than being able to bring all your toys with you, you've got this ramp that turns into a deck, just automatic party deck, good to go to have fun. So this is a pretty cool little unit. See what this is. Hey, wow, that's a long bathroom. Pretty cool right there. And check this out. Hey, so that's good. Little walkthrough, so that way you can get in and out easier. Now, throne. It's a good height. It's actually a kind of high. The highest one I've sat on today. Nice space. Got your armrest on the sink. Pop out the old YouTube video. I've got good space. Side to side, I can do what I need to do. So, good size shower. I really like the headspace. Now, when you're walking through RVs, I highly recommend getting a pre-purchase inspection by a third party. Okay, we catch all kind of stuff that most people don't. All right. Now, if we look up, I hope anybody would catch that. Okay, they've not done their PDI on this unit yet because it is not sold, so they have no reason to. But that's just one of the things you got to check out. Speaking of checking out, check out that closet with the sliding doors. And it says hidden storage. Well, let's see what hidden storage is. Check that out. That's pretty cool. All right. Now the bed, it's fairly small queen. You're definitely going to want a mattress topper unless you like really firm mattresses. But this is pretty cool. If you have a smaller truck, larger SUV, you don't want to buy a fifth wheel, say you got a camper shell to match or whatever, but you got a toy or two that you want to bring, this is a great option. It really is. And we've got 2 AC units ducted in also. So this is a pretty cool unit. Like I say, you don't have the big dually, you don't have, or you do have one, you got a camper shell, don't want to get rid of it. Great option for your toy hauler. Let's take a step up and see what's next. People. So when we were checking out the little Aurora, we kind of saw sticking out from the front end of this Avenger this crazy paint scheme, and have to come look at it because, hey, go dog, sickle. It is their 42 V13. I mean, this is full body paint, y'all. It's slick and it is pretty. And the slides are in. Oh, man. Oh, I was wanting to get in this thing. We're just going to peek in and look at this. Okay. Now, with the slides in, the bedroom and bathroom is accessible. Okay. Shower, biggest yet. I can stand up. I've got room side to side, and I definitely have room front to back. So, awesome shower. The door's open. As far as the shower door, I've got tons of space. Nice and comfy. You can even set your iPad over here to watch the YouTube channels and whatnot. So, good bathroom. Deep storage there that even goes around the corner. That's awesome. So you got sliding doors up there. And again, slides are in on this. Check out your spacing. Now, if you're thin enough, like my lovely assistant here, that's my camera person, you can squeeze through here. Not me, okay? I can't fit through here. But we can see you got a dinette, you got is that a recliner sofa, and a door to the patio. Now, what this means, though, is you cannot access the refrigerator unless you're a little person going down the road, because it is on the other side of this slide. Now, that's something that I really look at a lot, too, which I hadn't mentioned on any other videos, is accessibility while on the road. Because sometimes you need a snack. and you don't want to put all your slides out. So that's a bummer on this model. So you see the patio here, okay? That drops down to the side. They've got the rear patio that drops down also. Man, check out this rear door. Isn't that just pretty? Let's look in this. This is the toy hauler section. So similar to their smaller trailer, you've got the drop-down bed and the benches. Okay, as you can see, they can both go all the way up for accessibility. This is a large garage area, very large garage area. You got your entry door for your patio. You've got your half bath. And let's check out seating. Pretty good. Not bad at all for a little half bath and a toy hauler in the garage. All right, now that was my next question, is can you squeeze through? No, she cannot even squeeze through. So she says she could, but sometimes it's just because you can, doesn't mean you should. So they've got a track system in the floor of this one, 3 strips for your tie down anchors, and they've got washer and dryer connections in here already. So it's got its own HVAC. So imagine this has 3 HVAC units, just really large garage. I mean, guys, this thing's huge. But you know what? There's another one that I believe is the same floor plan. It's got the slides out. Let's go see. Okay. So this, I believe, is the same floor plan as that one. And so for this one, it's fiberglass and decals, not full body paint. But this thing is still beautiful. You got your full paint front cap though, but then at least the sidewalls, you've got your Azdel sidewalls and decals. Okay, so yes, this is the same floor plan. Your dinette, your side patio, and everything. So let's get in here and check, see what it looks like with everything open, except for the patios. So this is the area that I couldn't fit through. You got some drop-down leafs. You got the nice large refrigerator, big TV, fireplace, entertainment cabinet above, so you can store all those DVDs, right? So one thing we didn't notice on the other one was we couldn't see this cubbyhole bunk. All right, so it is the full width of the RV to get up there, sleep, storage, play, goof off, whatever. Okay, so again, we've been to the garage already. Okay, really nice. Electric recliners, cool, cool. Electric fireplace. Now look at this. All right, guys and gals, you want a pantry? You ask for a pantry, you got a pantry. Look at that. Man, I mean, that's just, this pantry has more storage than some whole RVs do. I mean, this thing, huge. Storage for years, okay? And now up here to the bedroom, we could access it, but we couldn't go through it. All right. Now, this is something that I really think is cool. So not only do we have washer and dryer prep in the garage area, we also have washer and dryer prep up here. So your choice of where to put your washer and dryer. I mean, come on, y'all. Does it get any better than that? Okay, and look at this. 4 sliding doors. So you got your large center section, then your 2 outer smaller sections for more hanging clothes. They really did a good job utilization of every space in this enormous RV. I mean, just think about the toys you can bring, the people you can bring with you, and the adventures you can have in this thing. Whether it's for a weekend or whether you want a full time, this thing is amazing. All right, so we've looked at 6 different units, 3 coaches, 3 towables, different sizes, different budgets here at RV1 North Atlanta, soon to be Blue Compass. But thank you all to the guys and gals here that opened the store up and the units up to let us check out and giving us the ability to do some walkthroughs and overviews for y'all. Leave comments, tell us what you like the best, tell us how you RV, what your style of adventures are, and like and subscribe. Thank you.